Yeah, don't worry about anything you see on that channel right now. Get him before he goes around that wall. Wait.
Wait.
Get him now.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh
I'm about to play Smash. Trying to get some cash. I'm gonna eat a rash. Hey, it's Rash Balash.
The mic.
Yo, what's up?
Rashad Balash.
Yeah, that's my YouTube, Rash Balash.
Oh, Balash.
Rash Balash.
I might have.
Say harass my ass. What shit are we in right now?
Dang, did you got something against that?
Rash
I have a
Balash.
rash on my ass.
Yo, if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rash Balash, I can fix it up.
Well, you gonna fix my ass up?
Yeah,
Are you gonna sub to my YouTube channel?
Sure.
Fix up my fucking subs.
Hell yeah, I got you.
I'm at a whole 6 of them.
Really? I'm at a whole 197, you know, almost at 200, but I'll get you 7, man. I'll get you 7.
Hell yeah, bud.
Yeah, dude, I can get you
Alright.
to 8. I can get you to 8.
Yeah.
Oh,
YouTube.
Hey, yo. Oh.
Spell your name.
Here.
Rash.
Yeah, RASHBALASH. What's your guys'
BLSA.
Mine's Road to Damascus, but I haven't done anything yet.
Don't worry. You can still get this.
Rashad Balashov.
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah.
Alright, subscribed.
Yo, thanks so much, dude.
Alright, where are we dropping? Cause this circle sucks.
It kind of does.
Oh crap, hold on, I gotta come back, I was too busy.
Were you subbing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was loading up YouTube.
Yo.
Oh wait, why don't
dude,
I
I'll
just use my fucking phone like a smart person?
Wow, this circle does.
I'll make
suck.
sure to.
I guess we're going chemical. Dr. Brian, PhD. He's got a PhD. He knows what he's doing.
Hell yeah.
Oh,
He's got.
I'm working on it.
He's got YouTube too.
What's his YouTube?
It's later the same day.
What, Dr. Brian, PhD?
Yeah, yes sir.
Alright, bet. Alright, bet.
Alright, bet.
After this game, hold on, wait, bet. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna stop shooting me in the ass!
I'm gonna hide behind this door.
Oh no, dude! Yeah, I'll save you, bro. No.
Oh.
No, this is perfect. This is perfect. Now, I
Now you
can
can
go look you guys up.
Yeah. Wait, is it Brian or Brian?
Yeah, brain with a brain.
You have 11 subs?
Yeah.
Yeah, now you got 12.
Yo.
Oh hell yeah.
Alright, where's my YouTube? Click.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna need those usernames once I body these
Switch
fools that
over
killed
to-
you. I'm coming. Your mama can't click. Oh, you got it.
I don't have one.
Wait, okay, wait. I'm coming.
Okay, you got it.
Oh, you spooked me.
You guys.
Sorry, I
good?
just came and picked up this guy's stuff.
Alright.
Dude, that loadout drop's pretty close. I'm about to risk it for the biscuit.
Alright, dude,
for
let's
the
risk it,
biscuit.
dude. I want biscuits.
Oh,
Get shot in the ass again! What the fuck?
I'm coming.
Oh yeah, you can come. Oh, what?
Whoa.
He jumped out window, he jumped out window.
What gay shit are we on today, dude?
Nice.
Good hit.
Yo, we're kind of nasty, bro.
Hey, Yep.
Alright.
Hold on. Wait.
No, you're good.
I pinged him. God, I forget how far I is. I actually had to look down.
I literally only have a pistol and a shotgun still.
Oh, dude, where you at? Here, trade you. Where you at?
I'm
You want M4 or Uzi?
Oh, on the roof of prison, on the roof of prison.
Oh shit, yeah, wait. I'm down here.
Alright,
Yeah.
let's get inside. Oh!
Yeah,
enemies back here. I'm down. Here, you can have both my guns.
I got
Where's he at? Where's he at?
On my dead body.
Oh crap.
There were 2 of them. Yeah, dude, I got one of them, but I think he's dressing.
Oh, dude, I got people on me up in this building.
I got one.
Fucking armor.
Road to the
Bullshit! What the fuck did he kill me with?
Oh crap. Oh, let's go.
PhD. 12 subs. Nope, he got another one. That's 13 subs,
Yeah,
baby.
let's go, let's go.
Jailbreak, jailbreak. Let's go, guys. You're back. You're back.
Oh.
Alright, I'm about to rush that loadout drop and hope for the best.
All right, I probably won't go for it.
There, bro. I'll meet you there.
Hold on, Rash Blash. Oh, whoa. What is all this? Oh, hey, did I die again?
Oh yeah, you were redeployed.
Oh my god.
Oh, whoops.
Woo.
Frick.
Alright. Hey, don't worry about me.
Okay.
Worry about these subs,
Alright,
baby. I'm
alright.
gonna get you guys. Don't worry.
Hey. Thanks you.
Oh, dang, dude. I got sniped again, bro. Oh no.
I'm kind of, frick.
Oh my god.
Are you kidding me?
Are you
I'm stuck
in the-
inside the box.
Everyone's going
Tom.
You're
there.
underground.
What?
You're literally underground.
Dude, I'm stuck in this box.
You're like
Wait,
actually
what?
underground.
Nice, dude.
Yeah, just stay there.
Yeah.
Just stay there. We'll
See
win.
if the circle comes to you. Can you shoot out of it?
Oh no, I'm down.
Wait.
I don't have any shit for ammo with this.
This guy.
You're at 198 subscribers, eh?
Oh snap! Thanks, yo.
199, baby.
199.
Yo, on the road to 200, bro.
I just broke some dude's armor with a headshot. Stuck inside this box.
I'm back. Let's
What the
go.
fuck am I supposed to do here?
Here, wait.
Just stay
If I
there.
open it, maybe it'll release you.
Wait, no, dude. Leave it. It'll live.
It'll live
What if
forever.
I died to the gas? I don't have a gas.
Oh my
mask.
gosh! I got immediately destroyed. Yeah, there's a bunch of people.
Yeah, there are.
God, dude. I'm so bad
I
at this
only
game
have
right
21 bullets in my DMR.
now. Oh, hold on. I think I'm watching one of your videos in the background on accident. I sure is.
Oh no, get in there. Oh god. No way.
Damn.
Wait, where'd my gun go? No! I lost my DMR!
Alright,
No!
yo mama can't cook.
Oh no, we're good here. I got my weapons.
Yeah, just stay.
This is insane.
I'm outside the circle!
No, you'll be fine, dude. You'll be
I'm just barely outside.
Like,
Hold
come
on,
on!
wait, hold on. Let me click on the map real quick. Yo.
Let me look straight. Shit.
Yo, road to Damascus. You have 12 subs now.
Yeah, bud, got 12. And then once I actually move into my own apartment, I can start it back up and actually start a legit YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and that's till I come in, boy.
Yeah, then I have to ban you.
Yeah, wait.
You're not banning me, bitch.
Oh, I'll sub, but
I'll do what you did to Mikey. I'll come over there and bitch slap you.
Yeah, don't worry about anything you see on that channel right now. It's nice.
Dude, this is incredible.
Get him.
Yo, get him
Before he goes around that wall. Wait.
Wait.
Get him out.
Oh no!
Oh no!
He's so lagging.
Tear him up!
Let's go!
Oh my gosh! You're alive!
Stay there. Just get in the circle. Just get in the circle. What is this?
Fuck! I gotta see this.
Stay there, bro.
Yo, see if you can melee the closest dude.
We glitched through the game.
Wait for him.
just ran blind
Don't do
machine.
it, don't do it.
He doesn't know where it's coming
Yo,
from.
why is
Oh
this
my God.
happening when I'm not recording?
It's okay, dude. I'm recording. I got you.
Oh, thank God someone's recording.
Wait, so like what happens now? Can we still win?
Somehow.
You're gonna win.
Why they just- Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yo, I hope they beat him up. I hope you can get ammo, dude.
So do I.
But no, seriously, if one of them falls, you can get that ammo.
Oh my god! Oh god! No!
Oh.
This is the best day of my life. I met